Hey folks, I want to talk to you about edema, swelling, pain, mostly swelling and edema. This is a signal from your body, okay? Your body has become highly inflamed and the body uses water to buffer the acids that are damaging tissue. So it's actually doing you a favor by retaining this water. And the second reason is that your kidneys are not filtering properly, so you're not able to remove those acids causing the issue. Also, your lymphatic system would be down as well, because the lymphatic system is what removes the acids and sends it to the kidneys. So everything is down. So you want to go on 100% fruits immediately, okay? I always hold oranges, because oranges are available everywhere. They're inexpensive, and they work. Just go on a fruit diet, orange only if you want, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And you're going to take herbs for the kidneys, adrenals, lymphatic system, endocrine system, and stomach and bowels. And you're going to stick to it, okay? You can take 4, 6, 8 weeks, who cares? Eat fruits, stick to the herbs, and you see the swelling will go down. That's because the inflammation will go down, and all the acids that are causing this will also be filtered out as well. So don't panic. It's very simple to deal with. Remember that the body is just using this as an anti-inflammatory process. The water is holding the acids and buffering the acids, so the acids don't damage any more tissue, organ, and glands. It's very simple. So 100% fruits and herbs, and stick to it, and you will be successful.